Hi guys, this is Shruti, and in this video we'll be learning how to use the DJI Osmo Mobile 6 gimbal. So let's see what comes with the box first. This box comes with the gimbal, the mini tripod and the magnetic clamp. So let's learn how to mount everything first. So first you have to take the mini tripod. You'll see a screw on the top. So you have to place it in the bottom of the gimbal, turn it clockwise and then connect it. And once it's tight, it means it's connected. Now to mount this magnetic clamp, we have to open up this gimbal first. Place it on a flat surface like this. It should be facing towards you. Don't try to do anything with this arm first. Try rotating this arm clockwise like this. And once it has opened, you have to pull this thing now. Pull this arm towards you and here you go, it has opened. Now insert your phone in the magnetic clamp. So this magnetic clamp should be placed in a way that this camera icon on the magnetic clamp is facing towards the camera side of your phone. Now you have to connect this magnetic clamp to the gimbal. So nothing, because it's magnet, you just have to put it on. But you have to make sure that the white dot on the clamp is aligning with the red arrow on the gimbal. Only then it will be properly placed. So now that we're done with the mounting, let's learn how to turn it on. So you will see this M button on the gimbal. To turn this gimbal on, you have to press and hold this M button for 2 seconds and it will turn on. Similarly, if you want to turn it off, you have to press and hold this M button for 2 seconds. Now let's learn what are these buttons on the gimbal and how do they function. So let's start with the trigger button that you will see on the back of the gimbal. If you press it once, it will start active tracking like this. So the same trigger button, if you double press it, it will recenter the camera like this. Then the wheel that you see on the left side of your gimbal is used for zooming in and zooming out. And if you press on this wheel once, it will switch to manual focus. This on the front is the joystick. So this is used to move the camera. If you want to shoot something that's on the left, just move the joystick towards the left. Same goes with right, up, down. Then comes the main button, the record button. So this red button lets you take pictures or record videos, like depending on whichever mode that you have chosen. Now below the record button, you will see this switch button. So this switch button, if you press it once, it will switch between the rear camera and the front camera like this. And if you press on the same button twice, you will be able to switch between the portrait mode and the landscape mode like this. You'll see this M button over here. If you press it once, you can cycle through all the gimbal modes that you have in this gimbal. So this gimbal comes with 6 different modes like follow, tilt, spin shot, etc. You can explore all the modes using this button. Now, if you want to extend your gimbal, you just have to hold on the base of the arm and then extend it slightly. And now it will be perfect for all your group selfies. And once you're done, you can make it short by pushing it down. Now that we have an idea of all the buttons on the gimbal, let's see how the DJI Mimo app works. So the interface that you see on the Mimo app is very much similar to the interface you see in all your camera apps. The only difference is it comes with a lot of features. So if you don't want to use all the buttons given on the gimbal, you can simply use the app to navigate through it. So inside the DJI Mimo app, you can control all your shooting modes. So you'll get all the modes like slow motion, video, photo, panorama, time-lapse, everything. Even you can click a picture using hand gestures. Just show your palm or a V sign and it will automatically take a picture. For example, and start and stop recording using the app. So that's all about the DJI Mimo app. Let's learn how to charge your gimbal. So to do that, we'll turn off the gimbal. Then we'll take off the magnetic clamp. Then we have to fold the gimbal. So first you have to find out the hinge. This silver thing is the hinge. You have to face it towards the buttons and then fold it towards the front like this. Now you have to turn the hinge anti-clockwise. You will hear the click sound, it means it has been folded. Now take your USB-C cable provided with the box, connect one end to the USB-C slot given on the gimbal and the other end to a power adapter. And then you'll see this charging icon blinking on the display. It means it is charging. So that's all about the Osmo Mobile Gimbal 6. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.